Good morning this Monday, the 29th of August. I'm Grady Wolfe, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, the local market closed 0.79% higher on Friday, but was virtually unchanged for the week, as a broad market sell-off early in the week offset that rally that ended the week. The big banks all jumped on Friday, as well as the materials and energy sectors also closing higher. Bega Cheese was the winning stock on Friday after the food company released full-year results. Despite Bega's NPAT falling 69% to $24.2 million, investors were impressed with the company's revenue of more than $3 billion, which was up 45% year-on-year, as well as the company issuing guidance for FY23, expecting EBITDA to be in the range of $160 million to $190 million for the year, amid increased consumer prices across all channels. Investors also bought into Viva Energy on Friday, while selling off City Chic again after the retailer released disappointing results on Thursday. Zipco also fell more than 5% on Friday. Well, the common theme throughout the reporting season we've noticed being that investors are selling out of stocks that failed to provide quantitative guidance for FY23 continued last week, including Humm Group and Ramsay Health Care. The most rated stocks by Bell Direct clients last week were IDP Education, Boral and Illumina. Taking a look over in the US, and all three key indices closed lower on Friday after the commencement of the Jackson Hole Symposium, where investor optimism was dampened by Fed Chair Jerome Powell, saying the central bank must continue to raise interest rates to stop high inflation becoming a permanent aspect of society. Locally today, the ASX is expected to open almost 1.5% lower following that sell-off on Wall Street on Friday. Now, as we head into the tail end of earnings season, we have over 60 companies set to report this week, kicking off with FMG this morning. On the commodities front, crude oil is trading almost 0.5% higher and up 35% year-on-year. Brent is up almost 1.5%. Natural gas is trading slightly lower but remains up 112% year-on-year. Iron ore is also trading up just under 2% today, but gold is trading 1.2% lower. Investors will be awaiting the preliminary retail sales data to be released for July out today, with the market expecting a rise of 0.3%. Australian building permits for July is also out on Tuesday, which will give an insight into the country's state of building crisis at the moment. And to start the week off, let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Well, Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Humm Group due to a pattern forming over a 79-day period, indicating the stock price may rise from that close of $13.36 per share to the range of $15.70 to $16.20 per share over the same period of time, which was 79 days, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And Citi maintains a buy rating on Perpetual, but have lowered its price target on the stock to $30 per share following the release of FY22 results last week, and more importantly, the company's announcement of its acquisition of competitor Pendal, which was announced on the same day the results were released. The downgrade of the price target is on the back of Citi acknowledging both equity market risk and the apparently negative sentiment towards the transaction, which could prevent the stock making near-term headway. And that's all for today. I'm Grady Wolfe with Bell Direct. Have a lovely day and happy trading.